Okay, guys, get in there in a hole. Need you to clean out the dirt. Yes, boss. Ching. Come on, swing that pickaxe. Okay, loosen up. All right, you guys the shovel. Scoop out and clean out that dirt out of that hole. We gotta get that trench dug. Okay, boss. We're doing. Damn, it's so hot out here. How many degrees is it was supposed to be today? I think it's about 80 degrees today. Damn. Holy shit. I'm sweating my ass off. Come on, guys. You're gonna get more hotter if you just stand there all day, not do anything. Okay. Get in there, boys. Finish the job. We need those guys with a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow? Yeah, get the guys with the wheelbarrow so we can get them here to clean out, so we can scoop the dirt back in. Alright. I got the wheelbarrow, sir. Come on, guys. Get working. Get at it. Uh, this is fucking great. I'm digging out some limestone. Boss, there's too much limestone in here and shale in here. We might need a jackhammer again. Okay. Get the jackhammer in that hole. Start digging out the I need you guys to get that jackhammer in there. I need a jackhammer team again there right now. A jackhammer crew. Okay. We gotta drill the shit out of that. Come on, guys. We don't have all day. Get them jackhammers in there and start drilling. We need a whole team in there. Ugh. This is gonna be a fucking hell trying to drill. Ugh. Let's get this shit done so we can go back home or sit down and have lunch for a while. When are we gonna have our lunch break? Whenever we get done with the drilling. Holy hell, this limestone's rough. It's tough as hell. It's tough like iron. Alright, guys, get out of there. Pickaxes, get in there. You need a pickaxe team to get in there. You men with a pickaxe, get in there and start ripping out that stone. Yes, yes, boss. Start ripping out that stone. You men with a shovel. I need you men with a shovel to scoop out the stone once these guys did get completely out. Yes, boss. Ugh. Damn, this stone is hard. Come on, swing the pickaxe a lot faster or a lot harder. I think we loosened up the stone. Alright, you guys with the shovel, get in there and start clearing that hole out. Okay, boss. Pickaxes, step out of the trenches. Step out of the trench right now. Okay. We gotta get down to those water pipes. Come on, guys, we gotta get down to those water pipes. We're supposed to be a full crew. Why are you guys staying around? We got a whole crew here. Get working. Okay, boss. I can't believe I got a crew just standing around doing nothing. Enter, where's the shovel? Clear it out. There's a lot of stone in this hole.